angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Lupe. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending your time here with me. I really hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. You know, staying indoors, washing those hands, taking in all of the vitamins that you need, all of the essential vitamins, you know, vitamin C, well, in my personal humble opinion. I'm no doctor. Yes, so today, you know, it's always a really good time to work on your makeup skills and really try to find some looks that fit you, you know. So this is one of those looks that may not be for everyone, but if you are new to the look and you find that you love it, then, you know, it's like a whole game changer here. So today I'm showing you the very popular trend that's going on right now on how to create these foxy eyes that you're seeing on Bella Hadid, Halsey. I think someone very, very popular with this specific look is Kendall Jenner. Say goodbye to these poses right here. I mean, you can totally still do them. They look really hot, but you won't need it if you follow this tutorial. This is the look that I guarantee will have you acting brand new. I guarantee it. You know, sometimes you just can get a little bored using the same techniques, using the same old products, and this time I'm showing you how to just use your eyeshadow. Well, unless you don't want to do that, but you know, you could. So my loves, I encourage you to try this look out, see if you like it or not, because I know that I love the eye look on myself, but the brows, only if I use it with this headband, because if I have my, you know, my typical bangs, oh girl, it's a whole nother story. But go ahead, see, that's the beauty of makeup. You never know what you're gonna like. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you really need for this tutorial is an angled brush, your favorite brow product, or if you really want to go wild, just use an eyeshadow palette. The one I'm using today for my brows is the Naked palette. I've had this forever. I was just looking at it. It's so busted. No mirror. The shadows are just, I mean, I went in on Half Baked. That was probably one of my favorites, if not the favorite gold eyeshadow I've ever laid my eyes on. I ever laid my hands on. And I'm pretty sure this is expired. It says it only lasts for 6 months. And it's been years. It's probably been like more than 6 years. But hey, I'm still going in. So I'm using Creep. This is really just me trying to show you that you can do anything without having everything on hand. Now the first step to this foxy eye effect is transforming your brows. Now you don't have to go all the way dramatic. Don't go super wild on me. I mean, you can if you want to. But it is suggested and recommended to shave off the ends of your eyebrows. Today we're not gonna do that. I didn't do that. I did pluck some hairs here and there for the you know, complete effect, because it just bothered me how some eyebrows were just sticking out. Let's get started. For the brows, you want to start off in the center, and remember, try not to create an arch. You really want to just go straight forward. Until you reach your eyebrow's tail. So create that line first, and literally it's just a line straight across. Then I'm filling in the rest of my brow, flicking upward. Now when you get to the outer corner of your eyebrow, which is this right here, this part, you don't want to curve it too much, you kind of just want to slant it down. So yeah, once again, just try to make this as straight as possible. No arch whatsoever. Okay, so now that we've got the brow done, okay, let me do my other brow really quickly, and then I'll show you guys what's next. This last part is probably the easiest, since you don't have to figure out whether the eyebrows look good or not, or if the look itself looks good on you. Moving on to a brown eyeshadow. You can use a black eyeshadow, or you can even use a black eyeliner. I just want to make it a little bit more soft, more wearable for everyday looks. So I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow. This is Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. Also very janky looking already. Yeah, I'm going ahead with the same angled brush. However, if you do have smaller eyes, I would recommend more of a pencil brush like this one. It's a little bit smaller just because you are going to create a feline inner corner here. If you have bigger eyes, then of course stick with the angled brush that you always use. The thing with this palette here, it's very popular. A lot of people love it. I like it too, but once it's very, very delicate. If you just press a little bit, it's already, look at that. I'm destroying this pan right here. That's just so much fallout. Get your eyeshadow, tap off the excess, and I'm creating that feline inner corner. So it's like essentially a sideways V, going just about where my first few eyelashes begin. I'm not going past that, just the inner corner here. And now you're going to create your wing. I tapped a little too hard. But okay, here we go. Because you're working with an angled brush, all you really want to do is tap lightly to create your wing and move out. But the foundation of this angle here is already defined by the brush itself. So you don't have to do too much work. And then once again, you can just swipe right in and then swipe right out to fill in that wing liner, leaving the top center alone and also bottom center alone. And now you can see how dramatically different the one naked eye looks compared to this makeup look here. My eye looks significantly bigger than it actually is, and you got the Foxy eyes. You just got them. You don't have to do this anymore. You don't have, I mean, you could if you want to, but you don't have to do it necessarily to achieve that look. You can just be. Isn't that cool? What you can do with just eyeshadow. Ooh, my leg is, ow. Oh my god, my leg fell asleep. Now all that's left to do is curl your lashes here and then apply some mascara, and then you'd be good to go. But you know me, I'm about to add some false lashes. Now the false lashes that I believe will definitely help with this Foxy eyes effect is the iconic House of Lashes lashes, only because they are shaped in a way. Let me just show you here. Notice how this design starts with shorter lash and then goes progressively longer to a longer lash at the end and even wispier. Well, this effect really helps to create, wow, I forgot to breathe. Really helps to create that feline effect. So if you have these lashes or have lashes that look similar to this design, then definitely utilize them to your advantage. You guys know that I strongly believe that false eyelashes should always go first and then mascara. If you do mascara first and then lashes, well then it'll be a little bit more complicated and very, very obvious that your two, the false lashes and your natural lashes are not meshing well into one layer. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm really trying to get out in the sun as soon as possible because it's the first day that it's quite sunny here in California. And I really feel like I have some vitamin D deficiency right now. I feel like my skin is suffering. It is suffering. And I really hope you guys are getting that too, because I think the benefits of the sun hitting your face are incredible. Such a mood booster. Alrighty my loves, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was a little mini tutorial on how to create this straight brow, which once again kind of looks okay on myself right now. But if I put on those bangs, it's unibrow time. So, nothing wrong with that, I suppose. I mean, I think in some countries it's even seen as, something so beautiful. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I really hope you get to try this out while you're at home, staying safe and sound. Take those vitamins, get that vitamin D from the sun. I really, really hope it's vitamin D. If not, I'm gonna sound. Yes, you do indeed get. Sunlight contains two forms of radiant energy, ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B. ultraviolet B provides the energy your skin needs to make vitamin D. You know, get your sun, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Stay safe. I am sending you so much love and healing. Keep the vibe alive, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.